So to get our talk started, we're going to do an opening reading and a meditation. Today I'm reading from my book, Whispers of Heaven. You can buy it on Amazon. The link to purchase it is listed below. And in it I wrote, "It's easier to create a miracle than we think. We can do it for ourselves and those around us. If you see someone in need, say a prayer for them. Say a prayer for yourself. Say a prayer for your world. We are powerful beyond our wildest imagination, and God is waiting to awe us with how much it loves, supports, and encourages us." So join with me now as I do this affirmative prayer. I'm going to do it for the first person. Take it in for yourself. Say something that works, well, hold tight to that. If I say something that doesn't work, just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There's but one God, one mind, one power. That power is perfect love. It's divine intelligence. And that power is showing up in my life in patterns that I now see, patterns of love and support and encouragement. So here today, I turn loose. I let go of every block, of every weight that's been holding me down. I've created these things for myself, and I can let them go as I turn my head to a greater knowing for myself, that I'm here supported and loved and encouraged and inspired by God itself, that which set the universe in motion, now is at work in my life, willing and waiting to awe me with how much I am loved, how much I am supported, and how much I am encouraged. These words have power. I now celebrate them, I rejoice in them, and I release them into the mind of God to do their good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much.